All right, I want to give you an example here of a private labeler on eBay. So as you can see here by their name, Fur Haven Pet Products. Okay, you can see here they have their description, pet products. Fur Haven Pet Products was founded in 2004 with the mission to bring snuggly soft and oh so comfy comfort to pets of all shapes and sizes at a price that their families could afford and with a style that fit home lifestyles. Okay, so these guys have a mission statement, right? This is their value proposition. This is what they're essentially in business for, right? Why they're in business. You could take this road as well, where, for example, if you wanted to get into the pet industry, right? Into dogs or, the cats or just pets in general, you could start an eBay username with this as well. Something similar to dog products or cat products. Or if you want to leave it to the point where you can expand, you can create a username such as products for less, right? Or the best products for less. Something where it leaves it open to different categories, right? Different areas. But if you want to stay niche, okay, this username here, something like this would work just fine. So these guys have essentially started importing products, right? And private label them with their own brand. These kind of particular items here are all essentially no-name brands, right? That a lot of the different importers here on eBay already sell. But what these guys have done is put their own name on there, right? Fur Haven. That makes it unique. That makes it their own brand, right? And having that brand power, they could sell their products at a higher price. But they also need to create that perceived value, okay? They can't just charge higher prices just because, right? They need to create that perceived value that's congruent through the entire listing, okay? So let's go and take a look at one of their listings here, okay? So Fur Haven Pet Nap Bed Deluxe Egg Crate Orthopedic Mat Quilted Dog Breed. Okay, yeah, see? This is something where you could tell this is photoshopped on there, right? Okay. But they have some good pictures here. I like that picture, okay. Very nice. Okay, this is huge. Having these kind of pictures, right, where the owners can see their pets in the act, right, actually using the product is huge. And I like their listing. I like how everything is branded, right? Super simple listing here, okay, giving you all the information. All right, yeah, this is simple, right? This is nice. I would have, a little bit more pictures on here, okay, maybe some more description. But I mean, this is super simple. I mean, it does the job. But again, if you want to charge higher prices and you want to create that higher perceived value with your private label brand, you need to make sure that your listing fits that criteria, right? If you want to charge $35, $45 for this particular mat, all right, just think about this. Why can't one particular brand of clothing, right, charge more than the other when the material is essentially the same? It's that perceived value through that brand name, okay? So maybe these guys, or maybe you create a product that is essentially luxury. Okay, maybe you charge $59.99 for this same exact product, right? But you have better pictures, right? A better overall listing. Okay, maybe a better theme here, right? Just making sure that your listing is congruent with your pricing. All right. So this is a really good example here of a particular private labeler, okay, who is essentially importing products from China with their own brand name on these items, okay, and they're selling them, for a pretty good profit here. I mean, $23.99, this is not bad. I'm pretty sure they went and saw the other products that were similar and, put their price on there as well. However, if you want to set yourself apart from the competition, right, charge more. And like I said, make sure that everything is congruent with your pricing. I cannot emphasize that enough, because you can't just charge more just because you think your product is superior. And it may be, right? You may have the best quality product out there, made with the finest material, handmade, hand sewn, all this other stuff, right? But if you're not able to portray your product, as having and being high quality, the customers don't care, right? They're going to go for the most cost-effective product, or they're going to go for the product that portrays the highest value to them, okay? And that's where we need to create that perception. I like to look at perception as reality, because what you perceive, right, may not be correct, may not be right, but it's what you perceive, and it's right to you, okay? Now, once you create a private label brand, what you also want to do is have your own website to sell your products, okay? And I want to show you these guys' website here that they have, where they essentially have all their products on there as well, and they can sell them for different prices, right? Because eBay has a particular set of buyers, right, that are typically looking for discounts, okay? They're discount buyers. On your website, that's where you can charge a little more. So let's go to the Fur Haven Pet Products here. So, this is a pretty simple website here, okay? As you can tell, very nice pictures, right? But you can also tell that this is Photoshop, but pretty good job of it, okay? They have some videos, okay? Let's see here. Let's go to the catalog. Okay, so they have animal print hood. So yeah, they have a very unique set of products on here. Okay. Yeah. See the pricing on here. Okay. It's kind of odd. They don't have the pricing on here, which I don't see why they would not. There should be a price on here and a buy button. Does not look like they're properly optimized for traffic. That is very odd. Okay. So it looks like they are, let's go to contact us. Okay. I mean, they have, looks like a pretty good brand there. Let's go to retailers. Oh, so they have several different stores that they sell in. Interesting. Regardless, right? These guys should have products that they sell on their website, and I don't know why. That's very, very odd. Let's look at the locator. Well, anyways, the point I'm trying to make is, once you have your own private label on eBay, you also want to jump into having an online store, right? Because that's where you're going to get organic, natural traffic. And that's where you can charge a little bit higher price, because then you have traffic coming in from all the different search engines. Now with Fur Haven Pet Products here, if you want to get a logo made just like this, I mean, you can go to Fiverr, pay $5 to get a logo made, if not the same as this, or even better, right? So in terms of these pictures here, same thing. This picture here is photoshopped extremely well, and you could essentially have a picture, right, and purchase it from like Shutterstock or any one of those websites that sell stock images, right? Have a picture just like this, have your product in there photoshopped with the picture of a dog. So, all these different, this picture here. Oh, that's cool. Nice. Right? You can have all this photoshopped. Okay? And websites are super easy to create. Have a lot of different resources as well. Fiverr can have a website created as well for anywhere from $25 to $50. Right? Let's say you even wanted to create a website just like this. Right? You can go to Fiverr, have somebody create this exact same type of website as far as structure, okay, for $50, right? All you need to do is get your own domain, okay, and get hosting and get the pictures, right? And they could create a website anywhere from $25 to $50, okay?